Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Chief Executive Member Jngoh Hills Autonomous District Council ba penyat sing sim hakar pusau turut kelalingkot arajar pausan lele Jngoh ke Brookside Adventist Higher Secondary School ke bola Pule Teng Mynshwa hakapor jenlong kena bad hakan ni sngi uba penyat ula syakot kerpang benlong kumukongsan haga jing plat ba ke school boss Jngoh School haringkat ke jenlong Jngoh principal ke Dr. Si Sungo Chairman Jngoh School Managing Committee Pastor S Nyota beru Pastor R Walang Habakaran kumukongsan haga ni sngi ba penyat ula penpau jing sngongo badi ke jing sngo kemen banyuk kejat biang haga ni school ke bola Pule Teng naduk kelas nursery haduk kelas 5.
We gather here today to inaugurate a brand new school bus, a much awaited addition to the school. This has been made possible by the generous initiative of our distinguished alumnus Shri Panyat Singh CEM KHADC. We are extremely proud of you, sir, for not only excelling in your career, but for remembering your roots and giving back to this institution that had played a part in your life. We are deeply grateful to you for the initiative you have taken to help us in getting the school bus. Your kindness and commitment to giving back to your alma mater is highly appreciated. Without a doubt, I know that the school bus will provide safe and reliable transportation for our students, enhancing their overall educational experience as well. As an ex-student of our school, you have demonstrated the values of loyalty, compassion, and social responsibility that we continuously strive to instill in our students. I would like to once again extend my sincerest appreciation to you, sir, for this remarkable gift. Your contribution will be a lasting impact on our school community. May God Almighty bless you and keep you. Thank you.
We have so many schools in Northern Penang. You have a part in blessing us with so much blessings that we can serve the community and we can serve the people in that place. And now you turn your eyes to this Brookside. And in fact, from the many leaders that we have not come across with a person who will turn his eyes on the small institution like the Seventh-day Adventist. We've been considered as a minority people. But I'm surprised and I'm really thankful and also grateful to you for turning your attention and also considering that this institution needs help. And your hand of blessing to us will be greatly blessed by the Lord Almighty from heaven. I'm very happy and glad, and I believe that all of us, we are glad to have Sir here, that he has blessed us. And in fact, we have been dreaming for so long to have a bus, but we don't know when that bus will come. But today, the Lord Almighty had opened a way that he had made use of Sir as an agent, as an instrument, a mighty instrument to bless our institution that will bring blessings to all the students who are far from this place, to transport them in and out to the school. So, sir, I really want to thank you so much. And because of your goodness and kindness, and because of your love, our institution, our people will not forget you.
Today is a great day for me, not because of the bus, because of someone whom they taught me when I was small. Miss Hadem, Miss Moilendem, Miss Florence, you taught me when I was in nursery. Miss Betty, I could see many known faces and very happy that I could stand here once again. I was in the school since I was very small child, beginning from nursery to KG1, KG2 till class 5. And class 6, my parents shifted me from here to All Saints Higher Secondary Schools. I learned a lot from the school, especially one thing, food habits. I'll not forget that. And we used to have different activities in the school, sports, games, and many. And through your teaching and through your guidance, I am what I am today. Thank you so much for everything, and may God bless you. I have a special friend like Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, who's like my elder brother. And when the school managing committee approached me and inform and apprise about the school activities and the progress of the school, and I used to ask from time to time that when we were small, that new building was not there, just this part, this side. And I know that the school is progressing so much. And I used to ask some of the teachers, Miss Pari here, Vice Principal, what is the need of the school at this time, and please prioritize it. And they said, for now, they really are in need of the school bus. I said, okay, we'll try. When I approached the Chief Minister, I told him about my background from where I did my studies from the beginning here in the school, and he said, okay, we'll give. Then we met last year. I think that was in the month of November. So Chief Minister yesterday was in Clariat. I called him and I told about this program. He said, please give my greetings to all the teachers, principal, vice principal, school managing committees, and all the students who will be present today. So I'm very happy to be here once again, and thank you for everything. And anything also in future, please do feel free to tell me and inform me. Whatever we can do, we'll try our level best to provide assistance to the school for your service. I'm very happy today morning we could officially inaugurate this bus, which has been sanctioned by the Chief Minister and the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund 2024-25. Thank you.